Members to February 2021. Man, January was crazy. Apologies, this video is coming now a couple of hours late. It's been a bit of a busy morning. Had to do the nursery run, and then I had to drop my missus off at work because her car was down. Loads of craziness this morning, but regardless, I want to put my watch list on your radar. So first up, I have HIMS. Really love this company. I'm really gutted with myself, to be honest, because I've been aware of this company since December, when it was around $12 a share. But around that time was when I decided to go heavy with Tattooed Chef. Now, again, I don't regret my decision because, of course, Tattooed Chef is where it's at. But HIMS, I just wish I'd started a position in this company. And recently, they've had a huge spike up. And that's because ARK Invest's Cathie Wood, they started a position in this company. And of course, the Cathie Woods effect is a real thing. And we saw the price run up all the way to about $21 a share, just based on the news that ARK Invest started buying the stock. And it's since pulled back, you see, to $18.99. And it is now roughly at $19.20 pre-market. But personally, I don't want... My ideal target is $17. All right, I'm just going to say it as it is. I really, at $17, I would like to start a position. And I'm hoping with all of the news going on with GameStop, I'm hoping all the news regarding AMC continues and forces some selling pressure. And I might start a position at $18 and then load up heavy at 17. But I do want a position in this company. And I mean, the company is just growing at crazy rates. Okay, so it's 128% revenue CAGR from 2018 to 2020 expected. Of course, it's extremely attractive. I do like their business model. They're into quite a few products which are addictive. So I know they're into the hair products, for example. They're also into telemedicine. They provide telemedicine as a service, which we know will be big going forward. But it's more the nature of their products. They are addictive. There was one person on YouTube. There was one user who uses their hair products, and he had great results. Grew his hair back. And I know some of you are thinking maybe I'm more interested in the hair products because I am Goldilocks, but I tell you, I'm not interested in the products, okay? And it's simply because, but from his review, he said that the moment he got off their supplements for the hair to grow, his baldness got significantly worse. So he is essentially now hooked on their products for life, which means for the company, it's pretty much secured revenue for the long term, unless he decides, you know what, I'm done giving these guys my money. So again, they do skin products as well, said hair loss, anxiety, and depression products as well. But they do have a lot of competition. They do have a lot of competition in the market. Lemonade is one. But again, I love their branding, Hims and Hers. I love their branding. I love their current growth, and their trajectory growth is going to be incredible as well. And I am bullish. And also now the fact that Cathie Woods is involved is just, it just certifies it really. So HIMS is my first target for this week. I do hope we see a pullback so I can load up. So $18, I might start a position. You might see an alert go out, but no, it will probably just be about 25%. And at $17, I'm loading the boat. And anything more, then I'll just continue. Like, this is a long-term hold for me. This is not a swing trade. This is a long-term growth stock investment. And yeah, I really like this company. So that's HIMS. Second is BioLace. Now, I've been updating everyone in the Discord group this morning as to BioLace because the company recently filed an SEC filing asking shareholders to vote for the reverse stock split, which I'm not in favor of. So if that was to be the case, I have updated everyone in the BioLace group that I would probably be reducing my size. Yeah, I'll probably be reducing my size. And yeah, I don't want to waste too much time. I want you to go on the BIOL channel. I did provide a full update on my thoughts regarding the filing, and that's what I'll be looking to do. I'll be looking to reduce my size. At the moment, it's at 109 pre-market. My average is 103, so I will be essentially breaking even on this position. I'll be in a tiny bit of profit if we are above 109. But yeah, that's what I plan to do with BioLace. And if it turns out that the reverse stock split vote gets cancelled for reasons I mentioned in the BIOL Discord channel, then I would probably load up once again. So yeah. And my last target for the week is ACEV. So currently up, I believe my average is 10. What was my average? I put the buy and sell alert out. I believe my average is 10.59. Okay, so that's my average, 10.59. I have about half of a position invested already, so it's at 10.71. So we're probably gonna open up in the green. But if this whole Reddit game stop AMC continues, I'm sure we might see another pullback. And if we drop below 10.59, then I will be loading the boat. And it looks like it's going to continue, to be honest, because again, US futures, like I mentioned in the actually it's gone up. So the US futures is up now 250 points. But again, we all know how the opens happen. Sometimes it goes up and then finishes the day in the red. But if we do see a pullback below 10.59, I'll probably put in 50%, my last 50% of my investment into this stock, and it's a long-term hold for me. So ACEV and HIMS are long-term growth investments for myself. BioLace is a short-term swing trade, and I will be cutting my size. So that's it, really. I hope we have a fantastic start to February. Really excited about it. And yeah, that's my update for this week. Hope you have a great week, guys.